Take the green and black crepe paper strip. Peel and separate it into 4 two-piece green and black strips as needed. Cut the strips 1/2 inch long. After cutting, place the pieces in a work basket. Fold the green wire into a shepherd's hook, leaving approximately 4 inches long on one side and 3 inches on the other. Take the pieces of black and green crepe paper and put them together, approximately 1/2 inch long. Place the green and black crepe paper pieces inside the shepherd's hook about halfway and twist the green wires several times to secure the center. Take the first red petal, put the stem with the green and black paper, placing it in the middle of the first red petal. Fold the first red petal in half. Take the second red petal, put the stem with the first red petal in the middle, facing the opposite direction. Fold the second red petal in half. Take the third red petal, put the stem with the second and first petals in the middle, facing the opposite direction. Fold third red petal in half. Take the fourth red petal, put the stem with the third, second, and first red petals in the middle, facing the opposite direction. Fold fourth red petal in half. Wrap the stem wire 4 times around the bottom of the petals. Place the in memoriam paper through the stem.